the king of pop, Michael Jackson.
I feel very privileged to be the recipient of this special women's honor. I believe that all people living together in unity is one of the most important messages we can teach our children. What more can I give? It's just an example for the world of how beautiful the world can be, what a beautiful place it can be. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. I would like to thank personally Casey Porter and the staff members and ones whose work on What More Can I Give on the Spanish version, Toto Party, has been invaluable. I love you, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm sorry about the hiccups. Thank you so much. I love you.